Three, two, one,
Go!
Who is this?
I am sending you the coordinates for Yondu's ship.
Release the quadrant!
Aye, Captain.
I only ask one thing. That your High Priestess tell him the name of the man what sealed his fate. Taserface.
The zombies are coming.
Which reminds me, Agnes called. Wondered if you're available for a bit of a snuggle this evening.
I'd love a snuggle with Agnes. Do I look available?
Move, bitch, get out of my way. Move, bitch, get out of my way.
Hello, yes.
Navy Museum.
Royal Navy Museum. I knew it.
B, I'm gonna divert the cops.
A Decepticon has been
We need
seen.
Decepticon. This is where it gets intense.
More intense?
B?
They're all around us, and I just have so much road rage.
Actualize the rage, that's it.
Oh, you want some? Husband, blast them!